Today, we'll explore how Magento services can benefit your e-commerce business. We'll cover key benefits, development, and maintenance services of Magento, along with how it maximizes your online store. Let's get to it. Magento, now known as Adobe Commerce, is a flexible e-commerce platform. It's designed to help businesses customize and scale their online stores, utilizing high conversion tools to enhance customer engagement. Magento offers several advantages, from scalability and customization to integrated management and enhanced security. It also opens up the world of deep personalization through its integration with Adobe Cloud solutions. Magento provides a holistic approach to developing your online store. It handles everything from initial concept to complete implementation. Magento is also there for you during platform migration and offers unique customization options. After development, ongoing maintenance becomes crucial. Regular website maintenance ensures the smooth operation of your online store. Magento also provides emergency support services to guarantee uninterrupted operation. With Magento's progressive web apps, you can transform how customers interact with your online store. It allows your websites to function like mobile apps, ensuring a seamless experience across various devices. Magento provides numerous apps and extensions to enhance your online store. Improved search capabilities or integration with a shipping service, Magento has you covered. Magento store owners can leverage the Adobe Experience Cloud to deliver highly personalized experiences. This tool allows you to tailor your content to individual customers. MGT-COMMERCE offers optimized Magento hosting solutions, providing outstanding performance with fast page load times. They offer 24/7 support, free migration, SSL certificates, and a suite of add-ons to enhance your online store. Magento services cover everything you need for your online business, from development and customization to support and optimization. So explore Magento hosting services and prepare to take your online store to the next level. If you found the information valuable, hit like and subscribe for more Magento insights. Stay tuned for the next one.